In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the tail carving blanks and talk you through their various features ready for roughing out. Firstly, unlike the wing blanks, the tail blanks have top and bottom labels. This is because when we come to carve the underside, we're going to be carving around this central area here, so the label acts as a template. You will also see there's a hole in the centre. This will be for attaching the tail to the body later. On the side of the tail blank, you will notice that there are pencil lines, just like on the wing blank. These denote the curve or sweep that we're going to create. These lines run all the way round the edge of the tail. The shaded areas are the areas of wood we're going to remove. Like on the wing blanks, you'll also notice there are some small vertical marks. These correlate with the separations in the feathers. When you come to roughing out the edges of the tail, make sure you don't completely remove these marks. We'll need them later. The goldfinch tail blank has all the same features as the swallow tail blank, except it's a lot smaller. This is one of the reasons I recommend the goldfinch for intermediates rather than beginners. A smaller piece is actually fiddlier to carve, as there's less wood to hold on to. This is what we're aiming for by the end of the tail roughing section. As you can see, the underside of the tail pieces now have a raised area in the centre. The tail piece is still fairly thick, but the edges have been whittled down to create a slender shape. From the end-on view, you can see that both tail pieces now have a scooped curve. You can use this video as a reference point to return to when you're carving. I have divided up the videos in this section as follows. In video 14, we'll be carving the underside and top side of the swallowtail, starting with the underside. In video 15, we'll be carving the edges of the swallowtail to refine the shape. And in video 16, we'll be carving the goldfinch tail